Okay, let's recap the course content from this week. We examined the challenges as well as the opportunities that big data represents to organizations of all sizes. Governments, healthcare providers, and businesses are looking to utilize all available data collected from internal as well as external sources to make better decisions, to improve profitability, and sometimes to even create new lines of business around the data. Data has been called the new oil. The analogy goes that crude oil pumped from the ground needs to be processed and refined into a usable product, like gasoline, before its true value can be obtained. With big data, the challenge is how to store, process, and analyze the raw data into something useful. As will be seen later in the course, a data lake will not only simplify that ingestion and storage of data, but it's also going to expedite the analysis of the data by all users, including data scientists. In this week's assignment, you are asked to post your responses to 3 questions. What does big data mean to you? What big data challenges are you facing? And how are you addressing these big data challenges? If you haven't already done so, please post your responses to these questions, and don't forget to read and peer review at least 2 other responses. By doing so, it's going to help demonstrate that you've successfully completed this week's material. Remember that peer-based interaction, particularly in this type of a format, is a valuable part of learning, and it's going to help make the most of the learning experience. More so, the intent of the posts is to enable a crowdsourcing of ideas and strategies to address the challenges of big data and really kind of provide different perspectives among the various demographics that are represented in our student population. Our instructor team is going to be monitoring all the posts and adding different perspectives as it makes sense. Please tune in for next week's material. We're going to cover how business value can be extracted from big data by properly building data science teams and running data science projects. If you're supporting business initiatives, this is going to help make you think about the opportunity that data science teams can bring to your business. If you are a student or attending because of your interest in the topic, it may even get you thinking about a career direction. I hope you enjoyed this week's content, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.